So welcome back guys, you are watching Rising Codesira, and in this video we are going to see inverted pyramid in Java. So before this video guys, we have just seen the normal pyramid, but in this video we are going to see the inverted pyramid. So before this video also we have seen different patterns in Java like square pattern, right angle pattern, inverted right angle pattern, pyramid, and in this video we are going to see inverted pyramid. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe guys. Your support is very essential, and share this video with your friends. So let's get started guys for today's video. So 4, 3, 2, 1, you are able to see the star. So on first line there are totally 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Now guys, the next step is going to be, we are going to start our I value from 0 index. So we are going to see I is equal to 0. Then on the next line it will be 1, then 2, and on the next line it will be 3. So here you are able to see I value, we have just started from 0 to 3. And this will be our outer loop. In outer loop we are going to print all the rows, so there will be just 4 rows will be printed using this. So let's create it. So for this, let me come here. I will just say for integer I is equal to, we are going to start from 0, I should be less than. Now we are going to move up to n. Now the n value is going to be 4 guys. So let me create the n value. So here there will be n, but before this we need to create the n value. So it will be int n is equal to 4. Okay, so because we have just seen there are totally 4 rows, and maximum stars, if you see, there are totally 4 stars. Okay, then we need to increment as well. So I will say I plus plus. If I'm going to say here system dot out dot print, and here a star, we will write here println. Now after running this, we will get the 4 rows. We need to print the spaces as well. Here there is totally 1 space. Here there is 2 space. Then here there is 3 space. So this spaces printing is also very essential. So first thing, we are going to print the spaces, and then after that we will talk about stars, or we will print the stars. If you see here, there is 0 space. If you see here, there are how many space? You can just see here 1 space is there. On this line, if you see, there are totally 2 spaces. Okay, I will make it 2. On this line, if you see, there are totally at the end of the line, I'm talking about this line. Okay, that means 6 is present over there. So there are totally 3 spaces. So let me write here 3 spaces. 0, 1, 2, 3. They are matching to the I value. Okay, when I is 0, spaces are 0. When I value is 1, we are getting spaces as 1. When I value is 2, we are getting spaces as 2. When I value is 3, we are getting spaces as 3. Okay, fine. Both of them are equal. So we don't need to do anything. Here we just need to print the spaces. So for this, consider that I will come here, insert this, and we need to print the spaces. So let me say print spaces. Okay, fine. Coming down, what we are going to do, we are going to have a for loop where it is going to start. From where we are going to start j, we are going to start it from 0 only, and j should be less than or it should be equal to I. Because we have seen up to the I value only, we need to print these spaces over here. And I will say j plus plus. And I will take this, you are having alt and press the above arrow, so it will be moved up, and the tab, and that's all. Now if I'm going to run, what will happen, we will be able to see the spaces, how many spaces are there on that particular line. So for this, we need to just remove here ln, and coming here we will say system to move on next line out.print ln. I'm going to make it over here. Now if I'm going to run this, you are able to see how many spaces are there on each line. Okay, so what we are getting on the first line, there is basically 0 space. Now what is happening guys, just one thing we need to do over here is, we are starting from 0 index, not from 1 index. So here I just need to remove this equal to sign. Okay, now this will fix our error, or what we were trying to print, we will get that output. On the first line we are getting 0 spaces. On the second line we are getting 1 space, then 2, and then 3. What we were wanting, we are getting that much of spaces. The next thing we need to print is going to be the stars. But before printing the stars, I'm going to remove this stars, because we need to print over here, and that is going to be the space. Okay, fine. So we are able to print the spaces. Now we are going to print the stars. Coming over here, we will have print stars. So what will be the formula? That is the question mark. So here it's quite simple. We are having n value, which is 4. If I'm going to make it minus I, so it will be 4 minus, basically our I value is starting from 0. So if you see here, the I value is 0. So it will be 4 minus 0. So it will be 4 only. On the next line, if you see n minus I, now here n value is 4 minus I value is, you are able to see, is 1. So if I'm going to do 4 minus 1, then you will get these 3 stars. Okay, fine. So formula is going to be n minus I. So similarly here you will get it n minus I. If you see, it will be 4 minus, so I value is 2 at this line, so it will be 2. 2 stars are going to be printed. Okay, and then coming on the next line, it will be 4 minus the I value, 4 minus 3, which is going to be 1. We'll start from 0 index only, and we'll say j should be less than. So here I will just place my formula, which is n minus I. Okay, and we'll just update the j, and right over here we'll just say system dot out dot print. On the same line only we need to print this star, and we'll have a space, and this line, for new line, we are going to take it down because we don't want it here. So you are having an alt and then down arrow, you can take it over here, and after running this you will get the desired output, guys, and you are getting the inverted pyramid pattern over here. And if I'm going to increase the size of n, so let's make it 10. So what is going to happen? For that also it is going to work. So for 10 also you are able to see this task. If I'm going to make it, just let's make it 3, and I'm just going to run it, so you will be able to see there are 3 stars as well. So this is all about this video, guys, and if you want the notes and source code, they are available in description. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys for watching this video.